Once upon a time, a little ant named Andy was looking for a new home. His old home under a rock had washed away in the rain. Andy walked and walked until he saw a big house with an open window. He climbed up the wall and peeked inside. "Wow," said Andy, "this is perfect." The house was warm, dry, and full of crumbs. Andy quickly moved in and built a tiny bed under the kitchen shelf. Every day, he watched the humans eat and drop crumbs. He would gather them and store them in a matchbox. He also made friends with a spider who lived in the corner. One day, a little girl saw Andy carrying a crumb. Instead of being scared, she smiled. "Hello, tiny friend," she said. She began leaving sugar crystals just for him. Andy felt happy and safe. The big house was not just a home, it was full of kindness. From that day on, Andy lived happily in his tiny corner, thankful for his new home and new friends.